DJ futures review. I'm looking at a 4 hour chart here, so let me just show you what's going on. We have been flagging a bull flag, which is a sideways consolidation. It can be on any time frame really, where price kind of just consolidates in a range for a while before breaking out, which is what we're doing now. This bull flag commenced around the end of June. I have been morphing it. I picked up on it early when it was just this little structure. Then it started becoming more, and afterwards, which we are now looking at a perfect bull flag with two touches on the bottom here, two exact touches on the top here. Came back to test it. Let's just zoom in a little bit so it's more clear to see. More recently, we broke through, back tested it, pushed up a couple levels, came back tested it again to the T on DJ futures, and then we went straight up from there. So you can see this is a very clear indication of what the price action has right now. Now the next thing I'm looking at is this trend line resistance that leads to right here. So the next high should be up here, and we should be getting there probably sometime this week. I don't see any reason why not. On the downside, if we want to retest this bull flag from the top, that would not be so great with already two tests. This one could cave as deep as the 4450 area right here, or even as low as 4400. I would still consider that decently bullish, just a morphing consolidation. Let's go to a 15-minute chart now and just talk about what's happening since Thursday evening. We've had a lot of action. It's all been pretty controlled, and I'm going to start with right now the action we had at 4 o'clock. I mentioned in the last Dow Jones futures review, we bounced hard at this level after breaking through a proper reclaim, a back test, great setups, multiple setups. We came up to this level I had, we rejected it, then we started pushing back up. Awesome acceptance, great reclaim once again, REX reclaim. We back tested that later that evening on Thursday, and then went straight up to this level where we tagged, slowed down, and then pushed through. Awesome acceptance yet again. The market is behaving amazingly. Moving forward, we kind of tagged this area. I did not have any levels up here yet, but I started developing them. I could see a clear level right here. I could see a clear level right there, and I could see this being a resistance. See how we pushed through and sold exactly from here. So I consider this the lower part of the resistance, and this the upper part potentially right above. We tagged this a couple times, and then we pushed through overnight, went up a level or two, and sold. So I would just consider this 45-30 area, or the area of rejection. And when I woke up in the morning, guess what? At 9:30, we sold exactly from that level straight down. So that was just clear indication of that. We had two bounces off this level, correcting us that we were right about this being a major level at the time. We bounced exactly off this level, this reclaim level, went from this right up back up here and sold again. Nothing really much to take because we didn't barely clear this low. It was really quick. Just continue to hold on for better price action. We had a little bounce at this reclaim zone, then we sold from there exact as well, just consistent price action all around. Then we have what I would call a dip and recovery at this level. We didn't clear this low. We dipped below this, tagged the level below, came back above, consolidated for a bit, gave one more chance to shake people out before starting to move up. This green line right here I drew was because I saw that we rejected right here at 1045. So I'm thinking if we can get over there now and stay above, that's a great fail breakdown, dip and recovery. And reclaim of this level now was what I'm looking for. See this little low right here too. So that's what we got. One more tag here, then we started pushing up. That went up to the reclaim level from the day before. Rejected, but we got our points, came back down, consolidated below for a while before popping up for a couple levels, but then selling once again. So now we're right below the low here. This level has been a great support. Now it's kind of like the resistance. We've sold below twice now. If we can get above this level, maybe a little higher up, maybe looking at something like this now. If we can get above this level, I'd probably consider the reclaim good to go. If we can sell and clear these lows, and even ideally this one, that'd be a great setup going into Sunday evening and Monday morning. Otherwise, if we continue to sell, a failed breakdown of this low on Thursday while tagging this bull flag would just be an amazing setup that could give you tons of points. As I zoom out from around 44.76, that could be something that you can ride up all the way up here for 75 points as we test this level that's coming for sure as soon as possible. So that's some of the stuff going on in DJ futures. I'm going to be back with some setups, but I mentioned already the recovery of this right here. If you want to be a little safer, actually, let's go to a 15-minute chart right now. Potentially you can wait for this level right here to clear too. It's been a clear level of rejection. Maybe we can get above there, but honestly you'd want to be going long a little earlier, hopefully, so you have less of a stop loss to worry about with these lows right here. If you can clear them, and this one, that will be a A+ setup. Ideally we can tag this level or this level below before going back up, and then let's see what we can get.